रणवीर इलाहाबादिया
रणवीर इलाहाबादी
Also named India's Got Latent by the channel Samay Diana is now blowing the internet. बियर बाइसेप्स के ऊपर भी वारंट जारी हो चुका है. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sneha and today I'm going to talk about a controversy that is making headlines lately. So as we all know that India's Got Latent की recent episode में रणवीर इलाहाबादी also known as बियर बाइसेप्स ने कुछ ऐसे डार्क कॉमेडी की जिक्र किया है that is now questioning our India's culture. And সত্যি কথা বলতে এত রিসার্চ আমি আগে কোনো ভিডিও বানানোর জন্য করিনি যতটা এইটার জন্য করছি because I think this is a really important topic to speak about. So I have been following this story closely and I have to say that I have some strong opinions about this. In this video, I will be sharing my take on this controversy and I would love to hear your opinions in the comment section. So as per the information, it all started in 8 Feb 2025 जब समय रियाना के चैनल से इंडियाज गॉट लैटेंट की एक एपिसोड अपलोड होता है जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर्स को एज अ जज हम लोग देख सकते हैं जैसे कि रणवीर इलाहाबादी, आशीष चंचलानी, द रेबल किड और जसप्रीत सिंह. और ये एपिसोड अगर आप भी देखना चाहते हो तो आप समय रियाना के चैनल में जाकर मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो जो कि सिर्फ 60 रुपये में अवेलेबल है. दिस सो बेसिकली everyone comes as a stand-up comedian or I have also seen some pupils doing rap. So they basically showcase their talent and judges have also been seen to make some dark comedies which make this so more interesting. ऐसे ही एक दिन एक पार्टिसिपेंट अपना परफॉर्मेंस देखकर जा ही रहे थे तभी बियर बाइसेप्स जो कि रणवीर इलाहाबादी है उसने एक स्टेटमेंट पास किया. उसने एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन किया जो कि इस कंट्रोवर्सी की मूल रीज़न है. सिंस देन दैट क्लिप इज ब्लूइंग द इंटरनेट. उसको लेकर बहुत सारे मीम्स भी बन चुका है एंड मेजोरिटी ऑफ द पीपल इज फाइंडिंग इट डिस्टर्बिंग एंड एज अ रिजल्ट दे आर फाइलिंग कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट हिम इन द पुलिस स्टेशन. बट इज दैट रियली नेसेसरी? नाउ आई नो सम पीपल माइट थिंक दैट आई एम जस्टिफाइंग हिम. But no, not at all. I'm completely disagreeing with his statement because in the name of dark comedy or any joke, you cannot disrespect anyone's parents or anyone in this world. But I just have a question that is it really the national issue of India? Like केरला वाली केस का क्या हुआ और अतुल सुवस का केस वो तो एक बार और वो जो जयपुर हाईवे में ब्लास्ट हुआ था उसके वजह से रोड पर बहुत एक्सीडेंट हो रहा तो रोड के मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर अगर ध्यान जा सकता था. तो ये जो महाकुंभ में रोज़ मैनेजमेंट की कमी की वजह से लोग मर रहे हैं और अभी तक इतना जैम मिला है. But I see no one protesting about these issues. No one is going to the police station and filing complaints against them. No one is एक मूर्ति बनाकर जला रहा है. ये कोई नहीं कर रहा है. पर एक यूट्यूबर ने बिलो द बेल्ट इंडिया के कल्चर को लेकर एक जोक मार दिया है और नाउ दिस इज द आई थिंक बिकमिंग द सेंट्रल इशू ऑफ इंडिया. According to me, I think people should wisely choose that about what is the topic they are protesting. Is it really a crime? Is it really destroying lives? ऑल्सो इस बात को लेकर रणवीर इलाहाबादी ने भी एक सॉरी का रील वीडियो भी बना चुका है.
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry.
और समय डियाना ने भी इंस्टाग्राम पर एक स्टोरी पोस्ट किया है जो कि बोलता है कि everything that is happening has been too much for me to handle. I have removed all the India's Got Latent episode from my channel. My only objective was to make people laugh and have a good time. I will fully cooperate with all agencies to ensure their inquiries are concluded fairly. Thank you. और यहाँ पर देखा जा सकता है कि बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर्स भी ट्वीट करके कुछ स्टेटमेंट पास किया है जैसे कि महेश केसवाला ने बोला है कि ऑल द एपिसोड्स नो वे ओनली द पर्टिकुलर एपिसोड शुड हैव बीन डिलीटेड. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो गया है. उसके बाद रचित रो ने भी बोला है कि लॉल बीइंग अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर इन इंडिया इज वर्स्ट. I don't used to follow Latent के episode but the impact was real and very healthy and motivational for the creators. Normal audience who used to watch creators for free started paying to bring more content and increase the production. You all don't understand, we just went years back in content creation now. West is doing mainstream media stuff and in India mainstream media is scared of creators and tries everything to control or destroy. Max Stern ने भी बोला है कि finally India will have clean rivers, better economy, GDP more than China because India's Got Latent episode have been deleted. योगी बाबा प्रोडक्शन ने भी बोला है कि what happened with Sama is literally frustrating and is a direct F to all us creators. It's hard for them to console hate. It's hard for them to console hate speech, hate news that is being spread everywhere on our TV channels. But this is what our censor. What's next? एपिसोड का विनर सरुण वर्मा ने भी एक ट्वीट किया है कि India's Got Latent gave me so much man. It was the reason I could actually pursue this dream of doing comedy. Can't believe how it's turned out. Sama is generally being a big brother to us. Aligoni has also commented that they forced Samay to delete all the episodes of Latent. Not cool. That one episode should have been deleted. That's it. He has worked hard to make this so successful. Where everyone was praising him few days before, now everyone is against him. Lol. Kya yaar? After hearing all the opinions, I like to hear it from my audience. That what do you think? That only particular episodes should be deleted or the whole show So should we accept their apology and give them another chance, or we should file complaint against them? Not only them, all the crew people working there, like minimum 30 to 40 pupils, the complaint has been issued against them also. A separate parliament is also now held for this issue. Do you really think that this is such a big matter? Do let me know in the comment section. While I understand that people may have different opinion on this matter, also we have the right to speech, so I would love to hear your opinion in the comment section below. Do let me know you agree or disagree with me. So for today it is up to this, and if you find it informative, give it a like and subscribe my channel to get more such information. Till then, keep yourself and the society safe. Bye bye.